Today, we're breaking down 5 balloon decoration ideas that can instantly elevate your Christmas Day celebration and turn any space into a festive holiday setup. Christmas is not complete without beautiful decorations, and balloons alone can transform any space into a warm, festive Christmas wonderland. A classic red, green, and gold balloon arch instantly creates a joyful holiday entrance and works perfectly as a photo backdrop for families and guests. A Christmas tree design made with green balloons, decorated with red and gold balloon ornaments and a star on top, adds a creative and playful touch, especially for home celebrations and kids' parties. For a more elegant and modern look, white, silver, and clear balloons can be styled into a winter wonderland setup that feels clean, luxurious, and perfect for evening events. Balloon garlands decorated with Santa hats, bells, ribbons, pine leaves, and mini gift boxes bring extra charm to dessert tables and gift corners, while personalized balloons with messages like Merry Christmas or family names make the decor feel unique and memorable. If you enjoyed these Christmas balloon decoration ideas like this video, subscribe for more event decor inspiration and comment below to tell us which idea is your favorite.